Hey, she's got a bumblebee on her head. Get it.
What?
She's got a bumblebee on her head. Get it off her.
Where? What?
No, don't worry, don't.
No, dude, it's on the bed. It's where you can't see it. It's on the side of
Is
her
your
head.
shirt inside out?
No, Slate's made. I almost got one with a pentagram.
A pentagon.
Pentagram! But it was an open pentagram.
You know, he's still wondering how do you do a pentagon.
Audrey, I forgot to tell you. You know those people we saw at Walmart?
You want to tell him now?
Guess what?
Sure.
They're missionaries, and they were at my church group that weekend.
Oh my god! Did you say hi to them? Did you tell them that? Did you ask for their blood type again?
That whole entire weekend, they were like, I was known as the girl from Walmart, okay? I got a cool
Right.
nickname.
Shut up, Chloe!
Okay, you have to go somewhere quiet so he can actually hear you. Just hold it down.
I was
Go over there. Go far away.
No.
Wow.
We went to the white party and we saw that. Oh, you weren't there with the emo kid. We saw the emo kid. Before we got to your house on the date.
Yeah, those
Tell
two
them
guys
more.
are
Type it.
missionaries from a part of the United States.
The
They
day
went
we met
back.
the guys at Walmart,
Ouch.
we went to your house, we were walking down to the street, and these two kids that were like emo scene were like playing music from their phone, and I talked to them and said, hey, I like music. Actually, that's not in Spanish. But anyways, so then we went to the white party and we saw one of them.
Well, if you were wearing what you're wearing today, like all black, they'd love you.
This is
You're
how I should dress
officially our
all the time.
grandmother.
This is how I should dress all the time, but
You're officially our grandmother.
Who was that friend of yours? Who was that friend of yours?